So here's the house, all done. Lights have been installed and front door has been stained dark. Here's another picture. That's where the carport is. You can see the dark front door now. So let's go inside. Again, front door, and you see that light right there. It's a really cool looking light from Lowe's. The other three lights, they didn't match because they kept breaking. And then here are the stained... Oh, there's my wife cleaning up. We're trying to rent this out. Started again. And there's my daughter. So there it is, the stained ceiling beams. They look amazing, especially when I take pictures of them. The video's not that good quality. And that's from reverse. We put up that beautiful glass light. And also to the left of that glass light, we installed a new light on that wall. There was no light there before. It was just a hanging chandelier right in front of the door, and it looked weird. Okay, so they're cleaning up. Eventually I want to put a sunroof right there. Now that's the other beam, and it really pops out with the white ceiling, as you can tell. I like white ceilings. They make the rooms look bigger. Let's go in the living room. This is our bread money shot right here. So I'm going to show you some good photos of that we use for our vacancy photos. And I use these on our ads. They post on Craigslist and Zillow and all that stuff. And that wall light is new. There's the reverse shot. So all the lights we did replace, and we put this kind of steampunk look or just a nice look. Now these rooms both have the beams that we stained and the white ceilings again. Now the video is not really that good quality. Here's the other room, and now let me show you the pictures, which really show you what it looks like. And then those wood floors, or they're not wood floors, those are laminate we put in a couple years ago. Now here's the bathroom with the mirror and the stained cabinet. You saw that before, plus the white knobs that really make it pop. Now here's the master bedroom. I call it master bedroom because it's two rooms together, and there's the ceiling. Here's a picture of that. And I have two pictures. And it just looks amazing. So I could get higher rents usually for our house than normal. And then here's the back room. I've never really showed this room just because no need. But it does have those doors that go out to the backyard. Now there's one of the lights I was talking about. It's a steampunk kind of pipe light that we installed for that little room. I'm going to show you the other lights right now as best I can. This is a really cool, and we get them at Etsy. This is a really cool hanging light. So all these four, at least Etsy, the lights, just Lowe's. We got the same, they're matching on both sides. Now here's the bathroom. Remember we were gonna reglaze the shower wall and put in the pedestal sink. So look how more amazing that is. And then also matches the white ceiling. It's really nice. We didn't replace the pedestal sink until the tenants moved in. So there it is. And it looks a lot better. And my wife Christine wasn't for me doing this, but the other sink was starting to fall down. It was going to be a problem eventually. I never showed you this, but we have a washer dryer there that we do provide the tenants, Maytag. Now the backyard, remember this video from the first of the three parts where I was going to put some bushes there. So here are the pictures of the bushes. They're small right now, but it brings everything together, makes it look more green. And then we also did it on the right side, you can tell, of the white fence. Makes everything look nicer. So thanks for watching, I really appreciate it.